So we have some dividers in our cutlery drawers, but I still feel like it's a bit of a poking hazard. So I thought I'd put my 3D printer to good use and find a solution. So I got my shiny new calipers and made some measurements of the inside of the drawer, making sure to use the backside to get an accurate measurement of the internal width. We ended up with just over 70 millimeters, which is actually perfect. So if I print something at 70, it gives us that tiny bit of wiggle room. So I went onto MakerWorld to look for a design. I found this really nice modern squiggly one by Foxodrod. Now the only thing to do was get it into the slicer and get it to the right size. They had a 3-knife version that was 75 millimeters across, which was close but too big for our drawer. So I used the scaling tool within Bamboo Studio to just bring it down to that 70 millimeters that we needed. This then reduces the other dimensions proportionally to our new size. I then just picked which filament I wanted to use and had a look at the breakdown. In this case, it was about 52 grams of filament and was going to take me about an hour and 20 minutes, which is really good for a practical print. It came out really nice in this new red filament that I've got. I think it'll match the other bits of colour that we have in the drawer. But first we have to see if our measurements were correct, because it's not very useful if it doesn't even fit. Thankfully, my Amazon calipers were correct. It fits there perfectly and it's not going to budge at all, which is great. I think that's the great thing with 3D printing, is you can find custom solutions to basically anything and you can get it immediately. Let me know what niche problems you've solved with 3D printing below.